We're gonna have noise in the background, but we're doing Great Value Sport mixed berry.
It tastes like the Powerade version. We're doing this video right after we did another video. Right after we finished filming another video. So, yeah, that red cream soda's still in me.
You know there was a spoiler to our last video? Go watch it. We didn't make a thumbnail for that video.
Go watch it. We'll have a thumbnail by the time this gets out.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yes. It's just perfectly normal.
Oh, that does not smell good. It used to smell good, but now it doesn't.
And it just does that immediately. Take it back off. Perfectly fine. Creepy. It's the next day.
It's the next day because we had to wait for it to cool, and I had to go home, and I have to get the thing from here.
Just noticed my hair was sticking up. Okay. Yes, Billy almost got blued.
I got stuck because I couldn't find my cup.
I'm just gonna go straight. It smells normal. Smells absolutely.
Are you recording?
Tastes like a blue slushy from Speedway.
I don't think Billy feels the same way.
No, I feel the same way. I think it's just, I don't know, shit in here. Yeah, there's shit in here.
Just sip that bitch.
That's just taste of it.
It just tastes like blue Speedway stuff.
It tastes like very concentrated blue Speedway stuff. And the before taste is a little bit of shit. Or maybe it burnt it or something.
It is. Okay.
Nope. I have to do it in tradition. That was cold. That was very cold.